help me a lot. In addition, I can find some resources in the campus resources I can access to help me overcome these challenges. When I need to write an academic essay, I can go to the writing center for asking for help. There's also some resources, lot of information you can find in the library. Through the KU class learning, I had some experience that if I have some problem, I can go to the professor's office hours. Most of the professors are very kind and glad to help you solve problems. Okay. And also you can make friends with classmates if you can borrow their notes if your notes is not complete. And the most important thing I think is to keep a positive attitude. I can participate different activities to make more friends. See, every challenger is difficult, but rewarding at the end. The experience I went through on lessons. Okay, in conclusion, I want to give a summary about that, which is about my introduce myself at the beginning, and then I talk about I'm ready to be a full-time KU student. Third, indicated why I indicated considered some challenges and how I will overcome these challenges. So thank you for your listening, and now I'd like to answer your questions. Okay.
So when you were talking in your presentation about the different challenges that you would need to overcome and the different strategies that you could use to overcome the challenges, I heard you mention going to your professor's office hours and borrowing classmates' notes. I'm wondering if you can tell me some strategies, not for note-taking or understanding lectures, but when you have to write a paper. What are some strategies and resources that you can use for writing academic papers?
Writing academic paper, I think you can go to the writing center for help, or you can through the learning in study group, I learned a lot of test taking skills. So I can use this information and skills to help me to do. I think I will do it well. So,
what are some of those skills that you learned in study group classes?
Skimming, and use list some detailed information, and use note cards to help you review your test or paper.
Mm-hmm.
So I think it's useful. Okay.
You mentioned plagiarism, avoiding plagiarism as a challenge.
Yeah.
So the question that I have is, first, what is plagiarism? And second, what are some specific ways you can avoid it?
Okay. Plagiarism means you use other people's idea or information without mentioning. To avoid plagiarism, you can use the study skills, use paraphrase and summary the people's idea. You can avoid the plagiarism through that ways.
Can you show us your favorite project on the wiki and explain why it's your favorite?
Wiki. personal narrative. And I introduced myself to everyone and help them to have a deeper understanding of me. So,
Thank you.